Shut up!
Get your hands off me! Get your hands off me! You know the I did it. I moved over. Now let me the fuck.
Get away from the area. Get away from the door. Get away from the door. Get away.
Let me the fuck. Oh.
Calm down, please.
Always someone want to make commotion.
Hey, calm down.
Shut up!
We on the ground, right?
Yes.
I'm tired. I ain't smoked a cigarette.
So are we. Who cares? It's a good time to stop smoking.
My kids is waiting on me.
Everybody's
Shut
tired,
up.
man.
Got kids here. Shut up.
I didn't touch her.
I saw.
I didn't touch her.
Yes, you
I
did.
didn't touch you. I went around like
Yes, you
that.
did.
Arrest your ass in Orlando. Let's go.
If you don't go take a seat right now, they're going to be mental law.
You get the fuck out of my face.
Please. You have a lot
get
of
the hell out.
witnesses.
Yo, get the fuck out of my face.
Guys,
I want to get the fuck off.
we won't be doing any faster than that. So let's start.
You should have drove. Should have taken the bus.
When you call law enforcement, guess what? I'm going to get off. You stupid as fuck, because when you call law enforcement, I'm going to get off, bitch.
Just have a seat.
Now let me the fuck off.
And you'll end up going to jail.
You get the fuck out of my face.
Put her on the no-fly, so I don't have to get her on the way back.
I don't give a fuck who you talk to. Good.
This is the captain. We need all passengers seated so we can return to the gate.
I was minding my own motherfucking business. Now every time I went in there to cry, because I'm embarrassed, somebody fucked with me. Leave me the fuck alone. Shut the fuck up. Don't open the door again. Leave me the fuck alone. What's wrong with you? Like, is there a lawyer on here? Can I get help with suing for sexual fucking harassment or something? You open the door one way. What the fuck? Leave me the fuck alone. And then on top of that, we all know I've been drinking. So let's not act like I'm not drinking. Okay? Like, this how people act when they drunk. Don't try to watch me while I pee. Leave me the fuck alone. We know that. We knew that when the lady saw my motherfucking snug on. We knew that. Okay? We knew. Why the fuck y'all fucking with a drunk girl? This is Sean Carter. Shut the fuck up. I want you to shut the fuck up and I'm going to That's what I'm motherfucking doing. Right? And I'm trying to live down and post these motherfuckers on this plane so they can play if they want to. Right? Frontiers of bloodshed. Okay? Like everybody else on here. Trust. I live better than half y'all. I don't give a fuck if white, black, whatever. Live better than me. Okay? Motherfucking lifetime movie. Okay? So don't motherfucking judge the book by its cover. Y'all been fucking with me since morning. Talking shit since budding. You the only one that have not.